I have this box that I picked up at TJ Maxx, and it is an open box. I'm going to be using this napkin that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It is now in their new fall section. And we're going to decoupage this on the box. I just want to show you just a few tips when you open up your napkin. This one has 3 plies, and you need to remove those plies from the back of the napkin. Otherwise, you're going to get a lot of bubbles and wrinkles. This needs to be removed. And I just love the gingham print with the sunflower. I can see that's going to be popular again this fall. And I'm going to be using my S30 Klingon brush and a little bit of the 1 hour enamel. I have it in the 4-ounce sample size. You can get that at chalkitupfancy.com along with the brush. And you just want to lay your napkin down. You want to be very gentle with it because once it gets wet, it does want to tear. I'm going to go ahead and cut off some excess napkin as I'm going to be using this on one of the panels. So this other portion, I'm going to go to the next panel and lay that down. Again, applying the 1 hour enamel, laying down the napkin. And then I have a third side that I'm going to put the 1 hour enamel on. And I'm going to lay the napkin adjoining the pattern and going to the next panel. So these 3 panels I'm doing with this particular napkin. I'm going to take the saran wrap. I'm going to wrap it around these 3 sides. And this is when you can now use your brayer to work out all the bubbles and wrinkles. You need this barrier there or the napkin will tear. You can get these brayers at Michael's, any craft store, but we do also have them on our Amazon store, which is also at chalkitupfancy.com. That has all our favorite products if you're interested or need a link or a description. So just putting a little bit of that 1 hour enamel on that corner allowed my napkin to just tear evenly down that seam. And then I'm going to do 1 coat over the napkin with the 1 hour enamel. This coat you want to be extremely gentle. You don't want to go over it multiple times. You just want to get it on and then just let it dry. So now I have this other napkin that I also picked up at Hobby Lobby. It said, "Rejoice in the Lord," and it has it on all 4 panels. I just love this napkin. If you put it pretty much on anything with a white background, it comes out really nice. I've used it before in one of my videos. And I'm going to apply the 1 hour enamel on this last panel, and I'm going to just use one of the panels of "Rejoice in the Lord." And that too has the gingham going around the bottom with some greenery. I'm going to lay down my saran wrap. And I'm going to work my brayer I'm going to do my last coat of the 1 hour enamel and run it down that angle, that seam, so I can just tear it. Napkins tear very easily once wet. And there you go. Now I'm going to set this aside to dry. Now it's dry. And I'm really happy the way it came out. Now I get these foam blocks. A lot of times you can find them at the dollar store. You can find them at craft stores. I don't even bother taking the wrapper off. I just sit it in the bottom of the box. You can glue it in there if you want it to be a permanent arrangement. I decided to just place mine in the bottom. And I grabbed these greeneries at Walmart. I feel like they have a really nice display at low cost. And I'm going to stick them in my block. And you can use this box for so many things. You can use it for crafts, art brushes, crayons. I just decided to do a nice arrangement inside. I also found these black-eyed Susans at the dollar store. And I'm just going to put these more towards the front where it says "Rejoice in the Lord." And I'm just cutting them off, leaving a long stem and placing them in my arrangement. And now I just thought I'd add a few special touches. I just took a stick. I made it a little shorter. And then I just tied a wired buffalo check ribbon at the end, just in a simple bow. Just place that in the top. Trimmed up my ribbon with my pinking shears. And then I found this cute little sunflower at Hobby Lobby. It was $1.99. It may have been 50% off. I really can't remember. And then I just placed it in the top. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitofancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.